Hello viewer, today we will learn about wind energy of India. So my first question is wind energy potential. Which state in India has the highest wind energy potential? The correct option is A. Tamil Nadu state in India has the highest wind energy potential. Okay, question number 2. Wind power installed capacity. What is India's wind power installed capacity in gigawatt? The correct option is C. 38 gigawatt is India's wind power installed capacity. Okay, question number 3. Which policy was launched by Indian government to promote wind energy? The correct option is A. National Wind Energy Policy was launched by the Indian government to promote wind energy. Okay, question number 4. Which company is a leading wind turbine manufacturing in India? The correct option is Suzlon Energy. Company is a leading wind turbine manufacturer in India. Okay, question number 5. What is India's wind energy target in 2025? The correct option is C. 65 gigawatt is India's wind energy target in 2025. Okay, question number 6. Which state generate the most wind energy in India? The correct option is A. Tamil Nadu state is most wind energy in generate most wind energy in India. Okay, question number 7. Wind solar hybrid. What is the main advantage of wind solar hybrid project? The correct option is C. Improved grid stability is the main advantage of wind solar hybrid project. Okay, question number 8. Which state has the highest potential for offshore wind energy in India? The correct option is A. Gujarat. Okay, question number 9. What incentive is provided by Indian government to promote wind energy? The correct option is D. All of the above. It means tax credits, subsidies, or and option C is accelerated depreciation, etc. Okay, question number 10. What is the typical hub height of modern wind turbine in India? The correct option is 90 to 100 meter is the typical hub height of modern wind turbine in India. Okay, question number 11. What was the wind energy capacity additional in megawatt in India during 2020 to 21? The correct option is 2 2300 megawatt, yani 2300 megawatt uh, is capacity additional in India during 2020 to 21. Okay, question number 12. What is the main objective of wind solar hybrid policy in India? To correct option is C. To promote hybrid energy project is the main objective of wind solar hybrid policy in India. Okay, question number 13. Which institution is involved in wind energy research in India? The correct option is C. Center for Wind Energy Technology. Institution is involved in wind energy research in India. Okay, question number 14. What is the most commonly used material for wind turbine blade in India? The correct option is uh, C. Fiber reinforced polymer is the most commonly used material for wind turbine blades in India. Okay, my last question is what is the estimated employment potential in the wind energy sector in India by 2025? The correct option is C. 3 to 4 lakhs is the estimated employment potential in lakhs in the wind energy sector in India? Thank you for watching. Thank you for learning.